Good morning! So today is day 184 of our trip around the world, and this is absolutely our last day in Thailand after 87 days. So the last 87 days we spent here in Thailand. I'm right now here with Mac.
Meg, yeah. Welcome. Meg, my name is Meg. Crazy driver. Oh, sorry.
He's awesome. This is the second day in a row we are using him. He's amazing. So right now I want to invite you guys to join us to the sticky waterfalls. I hope it's going to be a really fun day. Let's go! Woohoo! Okay guys, so on the way to the sticky waterfalls we are stopping in a really cool place. It's called the
Zombie Café!
The Zombie Café. So let's go explore and see what is all about this Zombie Café. Wow, look at this beauty. Guys, this is nuts. This is insane. You have tables inside the water and a little bridge and flowers and trees, and it's look absolutely awesome. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This, literally. Let me see if my zoom is working. Yes. Look, you can see it inside. So right now I'm standing on this little bridge. And look at this. This is delightful. Kids absolutely love it. So this is really cool. Look, you are inside. Open daily 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And it's called the Zombie Café.
Zombie dancing.
Dance.
Zombie dancing.
Okay, so I just climbed the stairs. Let's go see the view. You can sit here on this little table with this beautiful view. You will literally feel like you're inside the jungle. Okay. I'm going in. Wow, guys. This is so cool. So cool. Okay, let's continue explore. So I'm going now inside. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool, guys. The food look awesome. Wow, what is this? Adam, there is something else there. Should we check out this one first? OMG. Crazy. This place is ginormous. I want to explore everything. What's going on here? Okay, so there is 3 or 4 places here. So let's go to find out another one. And then you can decide where do you like to sit. So you can sit inside the tent. This place is definitely perfect stop for kids because there is so much stuff to do here. You can run around. You can enjoy these beautiful waterfalls while you lean in the hammock. Look at this guy. This is not the best restaurant you can find in town. There is one more place that I missed. Go up. Totally amazing. Wow. So how cool is this place? While you're sitting and enjoying your breakfast, lunch or dinner, your daughter found a chair on a tree.
It's mine.
Mila, this is wow.
It's mine.
And welcome to the Air Diamond Hotel. Okay guys, so hello to this airplane, to the terminal. Right now we are going to buy tickets so we can catch this flight, and we are waiting in line. Get on board. What you really need is to buy a drink.
Is this the terminal at the plane?
No, this would be the ticket office, and then they have the next spot over there is the terminal, and then there's the
Hello, 400. Thank you so much, Kapunka. Okay, thank you so much. So we got 3 tickets, each ticket 130 baht. Mila didn't need to pay because she's under 120 meters.
Where you fly it?
Terminal. Thank you. Leo is flying too. Kapunka.
Welcome on board.
Welcome on board, guys. Let's go.
Let's go, Mom.
It's gonna be a busy flight, you guys.
A busy flight. So we're going on the board. Air Diamond.
Beck, bye.
We are flying to Vietnam.
Bye, Kona.
That guy?
I'm 1A2. No, I think you said it.
Oh wow, it's for real we're flying.
It's a real plane.
So you basically get inside. Oh, what is here? Oh, COVID. 230. It's so cool. Look at these guys.
What is meow?
It's checking our temperature. Ticket, Leo. Ticket, Mila, ticket. Thank you. So you get your drinks, and we are on the way to the airplane. This is the coffee shop. So smart. They know how to make money here.
Coke, please.
No talking robot?
I think they have it turned off. This
Okay.
will be in the future. So.
Let's go in. Let's go to take a tour in this airplane. Okay, welcome on board to Air Diamond. So this this place is funny. So you basically pay just for a drink for 130 baht, and you get something in a coffee shop. And you go on board. You just take pictures on these chairs. So Thailand, like my husband say, it's all about Instagram. It's all about taking pictures. It's all about posting. They're very smart. They know how to make their money. But this place is so cool. So I think it's delightful for kids because they were really excited to check in, to buy their drink, and to walk around. And this is hilarious. But for kids, it's a really cute place to stop and check it out. Let's go get our drinks.
Your clock, and you're like, where's your food? Keep acting annoyed, looking at your watch, you're thirsty, you need food, where is she?
Where's my
Would
drink?
you like to drink
Thirsty.
Sprite?
Cola.
A cola for you, please.
Straw, please.
A straw, please. What for you, mister?
A space.
Right for you, please. For you, mister. Okay. No.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I need help.
Hold the rope.
I can't climb up.
We have to make it. So you have to be brave.